Welcome back to Tmeztv. We are at the track and it's a normal deal. Dave does maintenance, Lacey does maintenance, there's Lacey, during the week, and then I get to the track and I just put what springs I think I need and what bars I need, and then I do all the magical turns with the wrench. So I just got done blocking the front of the car and blocking the rear of the car, and we are at Angel Park Speedway. This place is epic. It is like probably one of the coolest midget places. Hopefully the track surface gives us what we want, because it can be curbed up halfway up the track. It could be like, you know, 4 above the cushion. It could be, you know, pole hugging the bottom. This place could be awesome.
Hi, Thomas.
I always tell people you're a great guy.
He's the nicest guy ever.
It's Drake York you gotta worry about.
Yeah, I'm a mean
Drake York.
I'm a mean man.
Are you 18?
I'm 19.
19. Okay, you're getting close to a man.
By
you're
default.
getting close to him. Bill, wondering if I'm available to drive the Badger Midget. Me, at work, at my 9 to 5.
24 cars checked in for Racing action here tonight. That'll set us up for 3 heat races. 3 heat races on the racetrack. By Brian Clausen. I'm not sure we'll see the track record.
Track record held by Brian Clausen. How awesome is that? Oh yeah. Almost go time here at Angel Speedway, Angel Park Speedway. This place is awesome.
A bunch of loose dirt on it. It's very interesting. But we go out early, got the camera on the car, see out on top of the car. And it is single car qualifying, brought to you by Witt's RC Racing Products. So the track has a lot of holes, character, and grip. We were really hooked up, and it throws me around as it does the camera right here. Sorry about that, but don't forget to go like and subscribe. Let's get back to the pit area. Well, it's almost heat race time. We ended up 12th quick, and man, we're so close, but we're still 12th quick, you know? But I think we're only 2/10 off, so like that, we're first to 10th. So, looks like Chuck's shaking some stagger. Track, they reworked the track. The track's a lot better. I just got out of the Badger Midget. Track seemed better, but definitely pretty cowboy up still, so we're sticking to like our baseline. Angel Park Speedway, this place is bad fast, and it's really flat and kind of fast and sticky and treacherous, but it's a lot of fun, and there's a lot of history here with midgets.
Here we go. Good start on the outside for Mileman to 31. Car, look out! That's not good. Stanfield's going to keep it rolling down on the inside. We'll stay green flag down into turn number 3, maybe. Robinson trying again. Got a good dig down on the inside for the 57A car. That time he's able to get out in front of Mileman. Mileman will keep her on the high side. Knocking out track racing into the corner. At least turn number 1, turn number 3 might be a different story as Mileman drives wide into 31B, deep down low, side by side, back behind, a little shuck and jive taking place. Here comes Avanisia. Shoots out of the field. Into the P2 spot, got Tmez down on the inside. Justin Grant, his teammate right there, keeping him company in the 2-car, right back behind. Little hustle on through. Avanisia looking to go to the front. This one pick up a win to Ron Ensign. Race number 2, but she's got to run down Kyle Bauman. Bauman found some rhythm up front in the 31B car. She slips out over the cushion. Avanisia quick to capitalize down the inside, goes to the P1 spot. Jade runs her down into the corner, still looking for her first national win with the Non-Synergy Drink National Midget Series. Hustles it hard. Working on link chassis, out turn number 3 with down back straightaway. Bauman with a little crisscross applesauce taking place here with the 7X car. Meanwhile, back behind, Justin Grant locked in a bit of a tussle with Daniel Whitley. Whitley was your quickest car in this heat race. Rolled off 6th on the field. It's only 5th right now for the number 58 car, looking for room to roll. Oh, that could have went horribly awry. Flipped the back bumper of Bauman, getting down into the corner, and Allbird shot himself up into the wall. Look at the side-by-side battle taking place for second. Justin Grant goes around the outside. Tmez shuffle back into B3 in the 7X cars. They hustle. Whitley now running 4th, 5th. Bauman.
Just got done with the heat race, and we kind of got caught up on that first original start, and I ran into the 57 car, which is the car I'm racing the Badger Midget for, but bent the front axle. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so I bent the front axle, and the track just was like, it was so cowboy up in qualifying, and then they reworked it and it dried off, and I thought it was going to be pretty hammered down, and it was not hammered down. So we got a little bit of work ahead of us, but I got to hop in the Badger Midget for the B main. So I got to come up with what I'm going to do right now so I can tell Chuck and my guys and we can make this happen. Hey, as always, thanks for watching Tmeztv. Always a bunch of people here in Wisconsin, you know, thanking me for the YouTube channel, and I too just want to thank you for watching. Just got out of the Badger Midget, and looks like the boys got the axle changed in this thing, and I'm feeling kind of like a race car driver. We just started in the back of the B and picked off a win. That Rab Racing 57 Badger Midget. It used to be Dave's old midget, and we've actually won this race with that midget before, so that's pretty cool. But track is going away, which is part of the reason why I drove the Badger Midget. It was just to keep an idea on what the track is doing. Down here at Angel Park Speedway, I think we're starting inside 5th or 6th row, so that's kind of unfortunate. The car's fast, just didn't qualify that great. 2/10 off, and we were 12. 2/10. If you've seen the channel before, you know if my hand is above 12 o'clock, the car is free. And if it's below that, the car is tight. And you can see here on my warm-up lap, I never even turned the car right because it's so tight. And unfortunately, my camera shuts off, so I don't have anything forward to show you of how evil tight this thing was. And I was just kind of riding around, hoping to not kill myself and the race car by flipping it. Here we go, and my camera stops there. So sorry about that. And thank goodness for the backup cam. Check out Dave.com. It's free banking online. Yes, I said free banking online. And look, they sponsor a midget. And with that being said, I'm always looking for channel sponsors. So if you're interested in having your company name mentioned on Tmeztv or your product, get with me, please. And yeah, back to the backup cam. It is so good. Oh, it's not good when guys are catching it and going past it. That means we're not that good. You can see as soon as I got to the good stuff, it kind of tossed the nose there. The attitude of the bumper, I can tell anyways. In the slick, I end up racing the thing kind of in the slick more because it was tight. cheating 3 there because that hole into 3 had me, well, let's just say scared. I try to run the bottom here, but this thing is so gear sensitive. I really have to gear for the top or the bottom. And to be quite frank, I'll run dead last before I bore myself on the bottom. So here we go, back to rip the lip. This thing, like I said, is gear sensitive, so that it's much better on the top. If it's not getting to the chip, it's probably not ripping the lip. So yeah, I try to get it to the chip and just get the most out of this EA Stealth Ford, which is what we call the motor. Yes, EA Stealth. It's in the game. Unfortunately, we end up running like 15th, I think, but we kept it in one piece and we took our notes. Can't thank Dave and Timmy.
Man, the 7X, we were just a little bit on the struggle bus. I got the car a little bit too tight on wheel offset, I think. And then there was like some holes, and where there was holes, there was a lot of moisture at the bottom of those holes, and I was just so gripped up. Had the right rear end a little bit too far, I'm pretty sure. We just missed the setup. It wasn't comfortable. It wasn't safe feeling. Like I felt like I was going to turn it over, and we're not racing for the lead, so there's no need to do that. But, you know, as always, living my best life here at the racetrack, and here with my friends, got to drive the Badger Midget. Tomorrow, Steve, the fans have showed up, and it's always fun being at the track and getting to meet people who love the YouTube channel. You love the YouTube channel?
Yes.
He said it was his favorite YouTube channel, so that is awesome, and thank you guys for watching. We're gonna get to signing autographs and pictures, but I just wanted to get you in the video, okay, buddy?
Yeah, shout out to Tmeztv.
Yeah? Thank you. Shout out to man, the 7X, we were just a little bit on the struggle bus. I got the car a little bit too tight on the wheel offset, I think. Thanks for coming out, bud.
Thank you.
And then there was like some holes, and where there was holes, there was a lot of moisture at the bottom of those holes.
And that is a wrap on today's video. I hope
had
you
the right
enjoyed
rear
it.
end a little
Don't
bit too
forget to
far.
like and
I'm
subscribe.
pretty sure.
Go check out my sponsors. Wits
We just
RC
missed
Racing
setup. It
Products.
wasn't
And I
comfortable.
hope you
It wasn't
had a wonderful Labor Day weekend.
safe
as did I.
feeling. Like I felt like I was
Thanks
going to
for
turn it
watching.
over, and we're
I'm
not
out.
racing for the lead.